Seniors, your muscles are disappearing without this one food. As we age, muscle loss becomes a natural part of life. But did you know that without one specific food, your muscles could be disappearing faster than you think? Muscle loss in seniors, also known as sarcopenia, is a silent epidemic that affects millions. It's not just about looking weak, it's about the strength you need to stay active, independent, and healthy. But here's the shocking truth. Many seniors unknowingly miss out on the vital nutrients that support muscle preservation. The key food that can make all the difference? Protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at using protein, so it's crucial to consume enough. Foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy, and legumes are packed with high-quality protein that can help slow down muscle loss. But it's not just about quantity. The timing and quality of protein matter too. Seniors need to space out their protein intake throughout the day, aiming for 20-30 grams per meal to maximize muscle growth and repair. Without adequate protein, muscles weaken, recovery slows, and the risk of injury rises. So, if you want to stay strong, energized, and active well into your golden years, make sure you're including plenty of protein-rich foods in your diet. Don't let your muscles fade away. The food you eat today could shape your strength tomorrow. Stay proactive, stay healthy.